Good afternoon, guys. I am in East Yorkshire, not Breen. I've got a lovely caravan to show you, an ABI ride-out. Now, this park is Unity Skirlington, formerly Skirlington Leisure Park. We have a swimming pool, we have arcades, there's fishing, massive outdoor parks, entertainment venues, takeaways, an on-site shop, beautiful, beautiful seaside pictures as well, looking directly over the beach. Absolutely stunning. I must take you to see those. But first of all, on the list, let's go and check out this ride out, shall we? So this is on our showground, available to view. Let's have a look in here. So we walk in, you've got a very, very open plan feel, huge seating area, guys, really nice freestanding table and chairs, and then integrated appliances. So you've got your fridge, freezer, your microwave, really, really lovely open plan area, your sliding doors, so a nice little bit of front deck. This would be lovely down on one of the seafront pitches, just overlooking the beach. Really nice feature fireplace and media unit there as well. So if we go on through, we can have a little look at the rest of the caravan. So this is a 2-bed. First door we come to is the family bathroom. So you've got a nice double aspect shower. You've got your heated towel rail, basin and toilet. And then through to here is your twin bedroom. Now this has been set up, as you can see, as a double, but it's quite easy to just separate those two out. So it's quite flexible. You can have it as a double or a twin. If you've got some children, nice bit of wardrobe space. And of course as well, this is double glazed and centrally heated throughout. Oh wow, and then we are into the master bedroom. Now this is quite the size. So, master bedroom, you've got, look at that wardrobe space. 2 double wardrobes, you have an ensuite there. You have a really, really nice dressing table area and double bed. Bedside tables and shelving. And, you know, the ensuite is quite important, especially in the night if you don't want to disturb the rest of the people. So guys, this is available right now. It's to view on our showground. We are in Skirlington, so Unity Skirlington. If you wanted to view this, have a park tour, come down and have a coffee, give me a call. My telephone number is 078 6767 4308. This is an ABI ride-out. My name is Cara. The holiday park is Unity Skirlington. So we are on the East Yorkshire coast, overlooking the beautiful, beautiful blue sea. Do come and check the park out. Thanks, guys.